Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm pretty sure you can because I'm so excited today. I will be showing my friend XX Kitty Tails house. She is one of my subscribers. Sorry if the game is really lagging. It cuts out some of the parts of me talking, but I am really annoying. So LOL. So this is the beginning of her house. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot, and I did get a new outfit, which I hope you guys really like. I found it in a shop, and yeah. Um, and this is parts of her house, and I thought that it was really creative. It is a hack house that I noticed. She did a lot of hacks in her channel. You know we love hacks. My almost one of my houses that I made is almost full of hacks. I will be posting a video on it very soon. But I'm not quite done editing it, so yeah, sorry about that. This is a nice area. She has two pictures of the same thing. LOL. But it's still really nice. Oh, I forgot that there's a little door. This little secret door. Less stress, more success. That's a nice picture. Okay, this is a bedroom, I think. I am not quite sure if this is a house copied off of YT. But Kitty is really a creative person, so I doubt that it would be. But you never know. That's a nice. These are nice. Words may never go as much as. Okay, that's cute. I like this. She's gonna have to make me a house. She's so good. Okay. And I believe that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And I did add music to my channel. As you can probably hear it right now. I'm not sure if you can hear it. And that's random. Okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that bell button, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and thanks so much for the support. We'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye!